and that I did a strike, so that's pretty cool. We're currently in first. Let's see what everyone else does, as usual. That second time around was more fun with the suds.
Justin got 3 hits, right?
Yeah.
With 30. And LaRon got 2 hits with 8.
Okay.
And you got 1 hit, but you got 10, so you got second.
All right, second place, baby. That water's cold. Oh my gosh.
You got 55. And technically, you finished in first because you finished with that.
You're joking. So hard. I really thought I was gonna lose my balance on that one. Yeah, it was harder than I thought. Okay, come on, Holly. Here we go. Oh! Holly! I did channel in, somebody said like video games. I did channel in like my video game like mentality.
Holly, you got 235 and you're tied with LaRon.
I need one of those, Holden.
I'll get you one. That's awesome. Oh, yes. Whoa. That was a good catch. I like that. Oh! Okay, some parkour going on. Whoa, you see that?